start with your hearing aids off. This is achieved by holding down the button on the back of the hearing aids for 5 seconds. A green light will flash 3 times to signify the hearing aids turning off. Make sure the remote control is switched on. You can check this by pressing the round button. A green light will flash to signify the device is on. Switch the hearing aids on by pressing the button on the back of the hearing aids for 5 seconds. The hearing aids will flash green once when turning on. On the back of the remote control, use a pen to press the black round pairing button once. A green steady light will confirm the pairing has been successful.